Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our factory SUNY GROUP. I'd like to give you a brief introduction to our factory. SUNY GROUP is one of the most dynamic and leading companies in China who specialize in manufacturing and exporting recycling machines and plants according to customers' recycling and sorting goods, dimensions, and budget. We provide a wide range of machines for the grinding, granulation, shredding, and separation of metal and non-metal scraps. Our machines include copper and aluminum cable recycling machines, electronic waste recycling machines, aluminum plastic separating machines, radiator recycling machines, motor recycling machines, lithium and lead-acid battery recycling machines, etc. With our all-around skills, expertise, and the cooperation with reliable suppliers, we have been supplying excellent installations to our customers worldwide for more than 10 years. We have many recycling solutions and examples to share with you. Due to the global epidemic, you cannot visit our factory, but our full range of machines is available to you for online test runs and product demonstrations. We believe our factory has been developing rapidly and has a very bright future. It is a wise choice to invest in the recycling industry. Please feel free to contact us for more information. Thank you.